The garage door. The largest moving object in the house, standing over 7 feet tall and weighing in at 300 plus pounds. This instrument of destruction and carnage is often challenged. In 1993, federal law required all garage door openers manufactured to have advanced safety features which comply with the latest UL 325 standards. We removed those parts. We answer the challenge to determine, will it bust? You ready to hit that button? What are we crushing, a cereal box? Drop it. Oh, is it crush it? No. What? What happened?
It crushed.
You crushed? Nah, I think we need to crush it again. Hit that button again. Will it bust? Will it bust?
Yes.
Bust. Crush. I think you broke the door. Uh-oh. You did what?
I broke the door.
You broke the door? Stupid door. After a box of cereal, seriously. Let's take a look at the damage. What do we have up there? Oh, we're bent up.
Dad, can I see?
Vinny's trapped.
Hey, I want to see.
Huh?
I want to see.
Oh. No, get your head out of there. So, Vinny, what do we break here?
Huh?
What do we break up here? What is this?
It's a gosh bracket.
Gosh.
Or reinforcement bracket. Usually this is hooked to just like a little arm here.
Okay.
It would have ripped out this whole style.
All right.
And at that point the door would have been shot.